Oh, bridge. What is up, guys? Gino here from the AB Garage. Out here recording my first vlog for you guys. You might have noticed that I said AB Garage instead of AB Pod. That's because I'm doing away with the podcast name on the channel. I haven't recorded a podcast in over a year, I believe. So I'm just gonna switch it up a little bit and change it from the AB Pod to the AB Garage. And I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit more. Well, I guess not a little bit more, a lot more, because I've never really done it before. I've had the setup and stuff for it for a while, but I just never really got into it. Being here in Indiana, we don't have helmet laws, so I am free to ride without a helmet, and that's my preference. I mean, you all are welcome to have your opinions about that. I don't really give a shit. But so riding with a helmet is a little bit different for me. So I'm coming out and doing this today and trying to get a feel for it and test everything out and see if I like it or not. I'm about a mile away from my house, and so far it's not bad, so. Oh, bridge. It's always fun to do that, especially when you've got a loud bike. I don't think my girlfriend appreciates it very much, but I get a kick out of it. So, the other changes that are coming is, I mean, more blogging. I'm trying to push out more content for you guys. I hate that fucking word, content, but I mean, there's no real better word to use than that. But I mean, that is what it is. So, I'm trying to push out more of that for you guys. This video will be going up after the review repair video of the highway pegs. So you haven't checked that out, do, please. Oh, and I got some other ideas for videos that are going to be coming down the pipe with the channel. Namely, I've got a video going over the dash cams that I installed on the bike. I was out riding with my old lady and some asshole came flying around a curve, and had I been 5 seconds earlier, he would have hit me head on. And my older brother has been telling me that I need to get dash cams for the bike, and I put it off, and after that I said, okay, I'm spending money and putting them on. So I've got a review video coming up where I talk about those and the installations and how I like it. Okay, are you stopping? What are you doing? And if you watch the Highway Peg review video, you probably saw some footage from those. I believe I used some dash cam footage. If not, I'll insert it right here. Okay, here we go. Oh, you can see, you know, get a little preview of what that's about. Another video I'm gonna do is a trip planning video, because I am planning, or I have been planning for about a year now, a trip down to North Carolina and Tennessee in September, and I will be uploading those videos as they happen. So, oh, wait there. So anyway, mid-September, keep an eye out. We are taking a week-long trip down to North Carolina and Tennessee, going through Front Royal, Virginia, we're taking the, what is it, Skyline Drive all the way down and then running into the Blue Ridge. And then from there, I've got a website that I found. It's got a lot of maps and routes and stuff planned out already, including the Dragon, the Diamondback, the Rattler. I will be posting a link to that website, so you all can follow along. And if anybody's going to be down in the area mid-September, hit me up. I'd love to have somebody else to ride with. Maybe someone that's more familiar with the area than what I am. So I will have a video detailing my planning of that, and then I'll have hopefully videos every day of the different roads we rode on and all different types of good shit from down there. That's another video I'm hoping to do is a review of the Motorcycle Safety Foundation's class. I am taking it again for a third time in August before I go on my trip. My girlfriend has expressed an interest in learning to ride, and if any of you listen to any of the podcasts, you know that I took that class when I was 15 the first time. I took it again when I was 17. My dad used to be an instructor for it, so now almost 16 years later, I'll be taking the class again for a third time, and this time I'm taking it with her. Just kind of, it's always good to refresh your skills, and I really did it just to make her feel more comfortable, and honestly, it costs $100 a person. So, I mean, you can't beat that. And I'm not sure about other states, but I know in Indiana, substitute for going to the BMV and doing your skills test there. So you take a weekend and you hop on other people's bikes and go out and essentially learn to ride. They go over all the basics with you, and it's really for the money. If you're wanting to learn how to ride, you can't beat it. So that's some of the things coming up on the channel. I'm hoping to do some more product reviews. Like I said, I've got the dash cam video coming up, and I've got to get a couple of more things for the bike before we go off on this trip. So if there's anything you'd like to see on the channel, see me review, hear me blog about, drop your suggestions down in the comment section. And I said in my last video about the oil change, I try to answer every comment. I really enjoy talking to you guys. All of my contact information is usually in the video description, so if for any reason you want to get a hold of me, tell me you love the channel, ask me a question, send some hate mail, my email's in there, my Twitter handle's in there, and I am open to talking to you guys. So I think that's about gonna do it for this first vlog edition. Like I said, leave your comments, critiques, suggestions down on the comment section, and thanks for watching, guys.